Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel today, viewers. In front of me XP Pen Deco Mini 4, and now I'm gonna show you how to customize the shortcuts, how to customize the buttons on this tablet. Okay, to do it, first we need to install the drivers for this device and for your operation system. For example, I have Windows and I have showed how to do it in the video, how to install drivers and how to create first setup. But now, when the driver is installed, you need to open the tablet application for your device. And here you have shortcut keys. Shortcut keys, not the keys. Okay, and here, as you can see, we have K1, K2, 3, and 4. And here are K1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. You can click show all to show. Oh, so sorry. To show all 6 buttons. So click show all. Maybe I can just make this. Okay, I can't. Click show all. And here we can set up our buttons right now. So I, for example, K3 it's here and K4 is here. So you can set up it in the way you want, but I want to set up it in this way, that here in K3 I will have Control Z, okay, and K4 I want to set up Control Shift Z. But how can I do it? Okay, so just enter on your keyboard, normal PC keyboard, Control, then Shift, then Z, or maybe. So sorry, I need to cancel it. Control Shift Z. Great. So you don't need to click it like Control, then Shift, then Z. You need to press it simultaneously like you are doing it normally in the keyboard. So Control Z and Control Shift Z. Now click Close, then Save. Great. And now let's check it in the Paint application. So sorry, I have no Photoshop or Illustrator on this device. So great. Where's my mouse? It's here. So I want to draw something, and here is Control Z. So go back, and now if I want to return, so move forward. So I am clicking this button and it's not working. But why? Maybe in the Paint it's not working. Okay, in the Paint it's not working. Great. So I will try to do it with the text. Maybe notes. So Control Z, Control Shift Z. Okay, it's working, as you can see. So in normal graphic application, Control Shift Z will works. So in this way you can set up the shortcuts in your device, and it's very easy to do, as you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.